Hey everyone, today I have for you a nice little product that if you have a youngster in the house that's learning how to walk or may not understand the concept yet of doors closing. These are great little items. What they do is these are finger protectors. So doors, what these do is they don't allow doors to actually close. You put these on and a child's fingers can't get trapped inside of a door. I'm going to open this up for you. As you can see, you get a lot of them in the package. And they have a doggy. They have a koala. They have a cat. And they have a bear, I guess it is. And so what you do is, you put the door near handle onto this. So it kind of sits like this on your door, or your door going in like this. And what it does is, these are big enough to prevent a child's finger to go into there or to here. And it keeps the door from slamming on fingers. If you have a small one, you'll know that that will happen often, and it's always a terrible feeling to know your little one's fingers have been slammed in and they've been hurting. These are very dense foam. As you can see, I'm pressing on it. I can barely press into it. I can get a little bit of an indentation into it. There you can see that that's pressing fairly hard. So these won't tear or break easily. They're colorful and they're playful, so when you have kids around, they'll be happy to see them and not think there's something unusual that they have to get used to. You get several of these, so if you have a grandparent's house, you need to give them a couple. You can have plenty around your own home, and these work out really good and protects a lot of little fingers. Good product for anyone that has a toddler or someone learning how to walk. I want to remind you that I want to do a free monthly giveaway. You can subscribe, comment, and like on the YouTube channel you are watching, or you can subscribe, comment, and like on the URLs listed below in the text. Thanks for watching.